Hello guys. If you are preparing for Java interview, so this is one of the important problem which you have to practice. So that is largest number from the given array. So the interviewer will give you one array like this 20, 50, 60, 30, 40. So from this, they will ask you to find the largest number. So here in this example, 60 is the largest number. So we have to display output as 60. So this is one of the common core Java interview problems. So let's see how we can write a program to display this largest number as output. So before going into the solutions, please subscribe to this channel. And in this channel, I have provided many other Java coding problems as well as some SQL classes. So if you are really preparing for job interview, then these videos will definitely help you to crack the interview. So let's start with the solution. So first of all, we need an array. So whatever the interviewer will give you these particular values, you have to create an array. So first let's create an array, then we will see how we can write the solution. So int array equals to, so we can take any example. So here I have taken few numbers, 30, then 40. So now we have the array. Then from this, we have to find the highest. So let's take one more variable as highest. So initially we will initialize with some value. So we can take from array of 0. So we are assigning it with the initial value 20. So what we are doing here is, so first we will assign this 20 as the highest. Then we will compare this highest with remaining values, so that if we have greater value than this 20, then we will replace this highest with that number. So currently this highest will have 20. Then we'll compare this 20 with 50. So obviously 50 is the highest. Then we will replace this highest 20 with 50. Then 50 will compare with 60. So like this, it will happen till the last element. Since 60 is the highest element, we will be storing this in the highest. So how we can iterate an array? So to iterate any data structure, we have for loop. So using the for loop, we can iterate this array. Then we can compare the values with the highest value. So then in the end, we can display the highest value. So we will iterate this for int I equals to. So ideally we will iterate from 0, but already we have given this 0 value to the highest. So now we don't need to iterate from 0. We can iterate from 1. And we all know that array starts from 0. So already we have given the value. So I am starting from 1. So that it will reduce one iteration. Now we have to iterate till array dot length. Then I plus plus. So this is how it will happen. Then what we have to do, we have to compare the array of I. So current element, now we will be getting 50. If it is greater than highest, then obviously highest will change. Highest equals to array of I. So if it is less, then you don't need to modify the highest. The highest will be the highest. So if it is greater, whatever the current value is coming, if it is greater, then obviously we are going to modify the highest. So that's it. It will iterate through all the elements, and it will check what is the highest value, and it will store that particular one in the highest variable. Now simply I will print that highest value and see what will be the output. So 60 is the highest. From this array, 60 is the highest. So let me add one more element here of 70. So obviously now the highest is 70. We should get the output as 70. So 70. So this is one of the important core Java problem. If you are preparing for the Java interviews, then definitely you need to practice this. This is very, very important. This will cover the concept of creating array as well as iterating through array and comparing two values using if condition. I will provide this particular code in the description, so you can keep it for your reference. And if you get any doubts, you can refer that particular code. For this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, I will be providing all the interview questions and SQL questions, so that you can practice all those problems, and you can easily prepare for the interview and crack the interview and get a job. So thank you so much, and please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.